in the past, I guess, when you first started learning web development, at least, you did a lot of writing and you didn't really read a lot of other people's code. Maybe you
Yeah,
read some documentation, but like as you move further on, you move towards more of a reviewer, and you end up doing a lot of reading of either open source repos or your own code base, and you're doing almost as much, if not more, reading than you are writing. And I think what this, like the AI tooling, has done is, you can give it, you can connect the Figma MPCP server and like have it build it, but then what are you at that point? You're a reviewer. And I
yeah,
think that's really what it's created is if you like reviewing code, boy, do I have a tool for you. It's called AI, but I do think that the skill sets around reading code and interacting with other people's code and being able to quickly grok what's going on, like that has become increasingly more important. So it's kind of
that's true.
thrust beginning learners almost into this like reviewer stage before they know enough to be able to review. And so that's why you have vibe coding where you just say yes, for a lot of the beginner devs. But as, somebody who knows more in an area, if you have an AI help you, it can often be helpful, but a lot of times you end up refactoring a lot of that, or you say like, oh, okay, I would do it differently, but it's fine. And so I think you basically have shifted the role of the developer to more the reviewer. And I I'm curious how that ends up changing development, how it changes the developer's thinking, how it changes those who are interested in doing development, the creative process, what becomes important, like these kind of boutique sites that couldn't be created by AI, do those
Yeah.
become bigger? So there's just a lot of questions around here, but it is interesting how it's changed both the input and then also your activity with that input, where you become a reviewer.